As we get older, more and more of what we do in everyday life, we do on automatic pilot. We've done these tasks, these activities, these routines so many times, we take them for granted. We don't have to really focus on what we're doing. We don't have to put our attention into it. The bright side of this is that while I'm doing these activities, I don't have to put my mental energy into them, so I can put my mental energy into other things. I can think about other things. I can put my attention on other things that I consider to be more important or more interesting. But there's a dark side to this. And the dark side is that basically the more I give my day over to operating on automatic pilot, the more I miss out on. There are all sorts of things happening in my everyday life that I just don't appreciate. For example, let's look at what I just missed out on in making this cup of tea. So I just picked a simple example of making a cup of tea. But what would happen if we applied that principle to all of those things we do on a daily basis, that we do on automatic pilot? We do them unconsciously, we do them in a distracted, unfocused way, we do them without really paying attention, without really engaging in what we're doing. How much richer and fuller would our lives be if we were to get better at actually engaging fully in what we're doing?